So I figured I'd show you my new, well, not new, it's new to me, window air conditioner that I got for my bedroom. This is after my grandma's house burned down, and I still have the Amana, but it's outside on the porch right now. It kind of got a little trashed. I just got it the other day. It's 5,400 BTUs. It's a rebadged Fetters. They rebadged it. It's Hunter Fan Company, as you see there. I had to do some work over here behind that paint over there. The paint and paper is plywood. Had to do that to fit it in the window right. We got your controls over here. Got your air exchanger, master controls, which is off, low fan, high fan, low cool, normal cool, and super cool. And then your temperature down here, it goes from 1/2 to 5.5. It was made in 1989 and has an energy efficiency ratio of 9.0. So let's go ahead and give it a run. Go with low cool. Low fan. It does have the scroll type fan on the inside and the regular normal fan with a plastic slinger on the outside. It's got I think it's got an LG compressor in it. Don't quote me on that, I might be wrong. Let's go to high fan. We got the air exchanger. Okay, turn that off and go to low cool. Now I'm going to turn the compressor on. It's got a relatively quiet compressor in it. Probably one of the quietest rotaries I think I've ever heard. But when it's hot or it hadn't been used in a while, it's got this weird startup noise. I don't know, it's kind of like a grind almost. But everything seems to work fine, so here's normal cool. And super cool. These don't move up and down, but you can move them side to side, both of them. And it's 2 o'clock in the morning right now, so I don't think I'm going to go outside. Yeah. Well, I decided to be ridiculous anyway and go ahead and go outside. It has been repainted, although I did not do it. Some of the paint is coming off. See, Hunter. And it does have the complete protective grill over the back to cover the coils up. Get over here, you can see the compressor. I don't know if you can see that in there or not. You can kind of see it, but not really. It's relatively quiet. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching.